What if I told you the most intense Demon Slayer arc is finally coming to life and the new trailer just broke the internet? From breathtaking animation to spine chilling upper moon battles, the Infinity Castle arc isn't just a trailer, it's a warning. Tanjiro's most dangerous mission has begun and not everyone will survive. Let's break down every hidden detail, every epic reveal, and why this trailer changes everything. Hold on to your Nichiren swords because the Infinity Castle arc trailer is about to break the internet and we are absolutely not ready for what's coming. This isn't just another season, this is the most epic moment everything explodes. The Hashira are locked in, the upper moons are out of blood, and Muzan, he is finally stepping out of the shadows and into absolute madness. Right from the first frame, Yufuta Bill slams us with mind-bending animation. The castle isn't just a backdrop, it's a nightmare maze shifting like a Rubik's Cube from hell. It's chaos, it's eerie, and it's perfect. Then it hits you. Flashes of Gyu slicing through darkness. Mitsuri screaming midair, Sanemi grinding like he knows he's walking into his own death but doing it anyway. And did you catch that? A blink and you'll miss it shot of Kokushibu unsheathing his sword, six terrifying eyes glowing, and the calm before the storm. And Doma smiling like he's at a tea party right before unleashing ice-cold destruction. Akaza's back too, furious, raw, and more powerful than ever. But this trailer isn't just about fights, it hits deep. Tanjiro's voice trembles with emotion. Nezuko stands beside him, her eyes burning with resolve. Is this her final stand or the moment she truly awakens? Then comes Muzan, calm, cold, and terrifying. His voice doesn't threaten, it promises. He's done hiding, he's going all out. Yuki Kajirua and Go Shina's soundtrack elevates every frame. Goosebumps level orchestration, blending sorrow, rage, and unrelenting intensity. And just when your heart's about to explode, boom, the screen cuts to black. One chilling line echoes, "This ends tonight." This trailer doesn't tease, it warns. The endgame is here and no one is safe. Get ready for heartbreak, get ready for history, get ready for the Infinity Castle arc. If that trailer didn't give you chills, you might already be a demon. The Infinity Castle arc is shaping up to be the most visually stunning and emotionally devastating chapter yet. So are you ready for heartbreak, heroism, and hellish battles? Let us know your favorite moment from the trailer in the comments. Smash that like button if you are hyped, and don't forget to subscribe to Screen Explain TV, where anime legends come to life one frame at a time.